Warning, these 5 everyday foods are harming your liver. Hey there, health warriors. Quick question, how's your liver doing today? Don't know? Well, let me ask it another way. Are you eating any of these 5 everyday foods that might be quietly wrecking it behind the scenes? Hello, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Your liver is like that overachieving intern at work, handling toxins, processing nutrients, balancing hormones, and never asking for a thank you. But even interns burn out, especially if we're feeding them the wrong stuff. Let's dive into the 5 harmless foods that are anything but harmless. 1. Sugar. Let's kick things off with America's sweetheart, sugar. Sweet, innocent, always there when you need a pick-me-up. But here's the twist. Your liver doesn't love it as much as your taste buds do. When you consume too much sugar, especially fructose-heavy stuff like soda and candy, it gets dumped on your liver to process. And when your liver gets overwhelmed, it stores that extra sugar as fat. Over time, you're looking at non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Sounds fun, right? Spoiler, it's not. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, sausages. Look, I love brunch too, but these savory treats are packed with saturated fat and preservatives, such as sodium nitrite. Too much saturated fat can lead to inflammation and fat buildup in the liver. Plus, the preservatives, they increase oxidative stress. Basically, your liver ages faster than your favorite rock band. Give bacon a break once in a while, yeah? 3. Alcohol. Alright, you knew this was coming. Alcohol. I know. But red wine is good for the heart. Sure, in tiny amounts. But when it comes to your liver, alcohol is a full-time job. Even moderate drinking can cause liver inflammation. Over time, it leads to scarring, cirrhosis, and, if ignored, liver failure. If your liver could talk, it would be begging you to slow your roll on the cocktails. 4th on the list, vegetable oils. Yes, the stuff you're probably cooking with right now. Corn oil, soybean oil, and canola. These are super high in omega-6 fatty acids. Too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 leads to inflammation. And your liver? It's highly sensitive to inflammation. So swap some of those oils out for olive oil or avocado oil. Your liver will send you a thank you card. Probably. 5. White bread and refined carbs. Think white bread, pastries, pasta, anything that basically melts into sugar once it hits your system. These carbs spike your blood sugar and insulin levels, which not only affects your waistline, but signals your liver to store more fat. It's like sugar in disguise. Ninja sugar. So, let's recap the 5 undercover agents messing with your liver. Sugar, processed meats, alcohol, vegetable oils, refined carbs. Now, I'm not saying you need to live like a monk, unless that's your vibe, but being mindful about how often you're eating these foods can give your liver the break it deserves. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe so you can live a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.